Principal Miller and Gladys.
Thank you for coming in.
We did come by. It's fine.
Okay.
His aunt, and his mom is my baby sister.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's not serious. Nothing terminal. It's just a touch of consumption.
A touch of...
Yeah.
And unfortunately, I need to make contact with the child's legal guardian. It's something that's not...
Oh, dear.
I could come over to the house.
Who made the complaint? Well, this is very upsetting.
It is now.
Thank God you're home. I'm so sorry to disturb you on a Saturday. Oh, will you please forgive me?
We just said...
I had to walk all the way across town to get here. Sorry to tell you this, sweetie, but I am on the verge of collapse. Oh, could I please have some water? Oh,
I'm afraid it's
so
really
much.
not a...
My name is Gladys. It's so nice to meet you. Oh, I absolutely love this house. Look, a giraffe in a green Chinese light. That's original in there, I bet it is. A bowl, please. Peculiarity of mine. I don't even try to rationalize it anymore. As I said, but the good news is he's more than happy to come in Monday, sit down with you, and clear everything up. Contacted them yet, right?
Gladys, is that...
You haven't contacted them, right?
No, I haven't.
Oh, my God! What I did, oh, my goodness. It was an accident, of course. Wow, that's really bleeding. Oh, no, that's nonsense. You get me a rag, sweetie.
Marcus, what did she do?
Oh, welcome home. How are you, sweetie? Let me take a look at you. Oh, you know, I haven't seen you since you were a little teeny baby. Sweetheart, they're just fine. Making dinner. I should have asked you, but you weren't here, so I thought, Matt... Alex. I'm not kidding, young man. Go. Alex, sit. Worry about your parents. They're just resting. Now, before you go to school today, I want you to promise that you will not tell a living soul that I am here. Watch. Are you watching? Sit down. You understand what can happen if you break your promise? I can make your parents hurt themselves. I can make them hurt each other. Promise you will not talk about me to another human being. Say it. Go to school. Take the bus. No talking today. You'll need to feed your parents. There's soup in the cabinet. Tomorrow you'll get some more. Come here, sweetie. I'm very sick, Alex. Won't help me. I'm too sick for water. I have been for a very long time. Bring an object from each of your classmates home to me. That might work. might be just what I need. Stephen here suffered a stroke a little while back, so he's unable.
I'm glad you both are here. Alex, how you doing, pal?
I'm okay.
Now, we're going to ask you some questions about what happened at school, okay?
Tomorrow people will come here. And we have to be ready. Detective, come in!
How are you today?
Fine.
Good to see you
Nice
again.
to see you
Remember
too.
Detective Colby?
Leaving tomorrow.
Matthew!
That's good, just like that. That's the way. Oh no.